Hey everyone, it's the Notorious KIA. Welcome back to my channel. A lot is going on, as you can hear from the echo in this place. Your girl has moved, but we'll get into that once we get into this video. Today's video is sponsored by GLOWIER. You know, get that gloss on, girl. So without further ado, let's hop right into it, okay? All right, I feel like it's been a while since I sat in front of you guys and talked and did my makeup. I really love makeup. I would love to just share more with you guys. First, I'm gonna start by applying some SPF. This is the GLOWIER Invisible Shield. She's that girl. If you haven't heard about her, you need to go get your life, okay? This is SPF 35. So the thing about SPF is you wanna make sure you're applying it every single day, okay, girl? It's like, especially, even if you're inside, but if you're going outside, most definitely need to apply SPF. So this SPF retails at $25. You get 1 fluid ounce, so that means you can take it on in your carry-on when you're on the plane. Another thing, when you're on the plane, make sure you're wearing SPF as well because you're closer to the sun. So the sun is really beaming on you, all right? You want to protect your skin at all times. Like even if it's cloudy, it's overcast, you still want to make sure you're wearing sunscreen. I really cannot stress that enough. It's more like a nice water gel cream, so it kind of is like, ooh, and I like how it kind of magnifies the skin. I hope you guys can see. As far as my skin, honestly, it's been doing so good. Like this past summer has been hell with my skin, but your girl got it together, and I actually have a video coming up on how I cleared my skin up. I just have this little demon right here that's actually healing. Kind of like when you just leave it alone, just let it do what it do. Like don't pick at it and just go about your day. You know, don't even pay that negativity any mind, okay? Next, I'm gonna take the Soothing Face Mist, spray that over. And the Soothing Face Mist retails at $18 and you get 3.2 fluid ounces. So once again, this is also carry-on friendly, which is a plus for me because I travel a lot and I don't want to have to always dump products into another 3.4 ounce container, so I can be able to take it on because I do a whole skincare routine on the plane, in the airport sometimes. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw my IGTV video. If not, check it out. But yeah, this contains rose water, aloe, and glycerin, and yeah, it smells amazing. Next, I'm gonna take the highlighter concentrate in the shade Platinum Rose. I think I'm blending it with my finger. Yeah. Okay, like I mentioned, your girl has moved again. I was at my old place for a year, and you know, I just was suffocating. It was just way too small, and it seemed like I would clean up, I would organize, and maybe a week later it would get back into just being a total mess. And then I'm in this space where if I'm not happy with something, I change it. I'm not content with just being unhappy or content with things just not working out. I'm solution oriented. I'm gonna find a solution, I'm gonna get it done. So I knew for me, for my mental health and for me creatively and work wise, that I needed to find a bigger, better space. And so that's where we're at now. And it's just honestly me and my clothes and 50 in here, and I haven't really unpacked. I just moved a couple of days ago and it feels so good. I just feel so lighter and I just have so much space. Yes, God is really, really good. I'm so blessed. Okay, so let's move on into complexion. I'm going to take the Perfecting Skin Tint in the shade G5. And these come in 12 different shades. I remember when I first started using this, I feel like it only came 3 or 4 shades, but since then they upgraded to 12 shades. It contains diamond powder, which gives a brightening, blurring, and pore minimizing effect, and glycerin, which is going to attract and retain moisture. So glycerin is a humectant, which takes moisture from the air and puts it back into your skin or your hair or whatever. So glycerin is a good product to use during the winter time and colder months. It's so cold in New York right now. I feel like we went from summer and just skipped right over fall and went straight into winter. What is really good? I was not prepared. And I'm also gonna mix it with the newest product from Glossier, which is the Future Dew. This is a oil serum hybrid. This is so bomb. Like, I typically have oily skin, oily combo skin, but I love oils, especially during colder months. I love my skin to just be nice and glowy. It's just giving me everything that I need. So about this product, so Future Dew is a long-wear skincare for instant dewy glow that lasts. So Future Dew is an oil serum hybrid packed with nourishing oils that don't feel greasy, which is key, girl. We want the glow without the grease, okay? And brightening plant-based extracts to deliver an instant and lasting glow. So it's a lightweight formula designed to be used in the final step of your skincare routine for that gleamy, refreshed look that Glossier is known for. Yes, y'all are, girl. With moisturizing, brightening benefits of skincare and the light reflecting soft focused finish you usually get from makeup, Future Dew is your skin but glowier. And that right there, I need to put on a shirt because that's everything right there. So I'm gonna take a few pumps of this. Well, not even a few pumps, one full pump. And I'm gonna take the G5 Perfecting Skin Tint. I actually probably can do G4 because your girl just came back from Thailand. She got a little tan, a little almondy. And I'm gonna mix with that. I'm just gonna mix that together and just put it all over my face. I hope you guys can, like, the lighting is good. Like, I typically like to film in natural light, which is what we're doing today, and it's like a building right here, kind of like blocking all the good sun. But I did order some studio lights. It's supposed to be coming next week sometime. Oh, that is so nice to get into it. And I don't mind if, like, my imperfections show. Like, that's life. I just rather just a nice healthy glow in the skin. Yeah, it's a little better. Oh, I love the way my skin looks. Yes. So next for concealer, I'm going to take the Stretch Concealer in the shade G5. Just place it under my eye. So, like I was saying about moving, like God is so good. I'm so blessed and I'm so grateful, and never, like, I'm honestly in my dream place. This is something I've manifested and been talking about for, like, this is it. And, like, hard work pays off, but also just being positive and being a good person. And it's crazy. I don't understand my life right now, because when I graduated from college, like, freaking 10 years ago, I honestly did not know what I was gonna do with my life. Like, I was lost, and I moved back in with my parents, and I kind of was just like, you know, floating through life. Next, I'm gonna take the Stretch Concealer in the shade G3 to contour a bit. So we got the contour, right? So next I want to powder. I'm gonna take, what is this? G4 powder. No. I'm gonna take the G5, the G7 WOWDER, not powder, WOWDER. And the WOWDER comes in 5 shades and it retails at $22. So the WOWDER will cut shine, blur the appearance of pores, set makeup, and make it look like skin. Perfect, that's what I'm here for. So of course my video had to cut off. She does the most, but I took the WOWDER in this shade G1 and G1 and G3, which is the darkest shade, and I used that to bronze up my face a little bit so you can see it a little bit. I'm also gonna take a bit of the WOWDER for my eyes. I hate when I hear banging in makeup tutorials. I'm gonna try not to do it. I'm gonna just take it and just warm my crease. So yeah, I'm gonna take the Lid Star. This is a liquid eyeshadow in the shade Cub. This is like a pink rose gold kind of shade. This is so bomb. Like, I currently have lash extensions. Like, life is so much easier with lash extensions, but I love putting this on bottom lashes, and it's so tiny. It's like perfect. It gives you a nice lash, okay? I'm gonna take the Boy Brow in Clear. This is freaking everything, yo. Everything. Like, if you don't get a color, get the clear. Moving on, I'm gonna take the Boy Brow in Black and just put that on top to add some color. Not even on top, just on the tail. It's still a little sparse on the tail area. I'm gonna take the Brow Flick in the color Black. So now let's get into blush. These cloud paints, girl, are everything. I have them in Storm, Beam, what is this one? Dawn, and Dusk. So these are the shades I have. Of course, my go-to is orange all the time. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna mix Dusk and Dawn. And like, Dusk is bling bling bright, okay? She's super orange. And Dawn is more like of a brown. So So let's move on to another highlight. I need to do more highlight. I'm going to take the HALOSCOPE in Quartz. Nice and creamy. I like that. Next, I'm going to take and highlighter concentrate in the color Deep Copper. All right, now the fun part. What lip color am I going to do? Yeah, and which is like a really bright orange, reddish orange color. Your girl loves orange. But yeah, this is the final look. I'm gonna spray this rose spray one more time. This is the final face, like your skin but better. Look at that glow. Yes, 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 yes. So that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As mentioned, all the products used in this video will be linked down below in the description box, so check that out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. But before we part, manifestation is a powerful tool. I want you guys to comment down below with a goal you want to accomplish in 2020. Let's write it down, commit it to memory, say it out loud, speak it into existence, all right? And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until next time, peace and dopeness.